Case study: Netflix's The Crown, Hegemony, Monarchy, and Cultural Consent series summary. The Crown dramatizes the life of the British royal family during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. It centers on political crises, family conflicts, and the relationship between the state and the monarchy, portraying the transformation of modern Britain. Reading The Crown through Gramscian concepts. 1. Hegemony and the production of consent. According to Gramsci, hegemony operates not only through coercion but through consent. The Crown presents the royal family not merely as a symbolic power, but as a hegemonic apparatus that reproduces the voluntary loyalty and cultural allegiance of the public. The monarchy establishes its legitimacy not only through constitutional means but also via tradition, media, ritual, and emotional connection. The Queen's silent strength and the carefully crafted public images are key tools in producing hegemonic consent. 2. The role of civil society. Gramsci emphasized the crucial role of civil society in producing hegemony. In the series, institutions such as the media, the press, clergy, and education systems shape public perceptions of the monarchy. Examples like Princess Diana's marriage or the Queen's Christmas speeches demonstrate how media forges an emotional bond between the public and the monarchy. 3. Organic intellectuals and the historical bloc. Advisors, politicians, and even press offices surrounding the royal family act as organic intellectuals who help sustain the system. While appearing to voice public values, they actually maintain the continuity of the current order. In line with Gramsci's concept of the historical bloc, media, politics, and culture merge to ensure the monarchy's sustainability. The domestication of Gramsci by mainstream media. On the surface, The Crown appears to critique the monarchy, but in reality, it reinforces the monarchy's cultural legitimacy. This illustrates how Gramsci's theory of hegemony can be rendered safe within mainstream media. Aestheticized dissent, conflicts, scandals, and personal suffering related to the monarchy are dramatized and humanized in the series. This makes systemic critique visible, but does not call for structural change. As Zizek puts it, this is an interpassive experience. Audiences consume the critique of the system, and in doing so, the demand for active change is pacified. Zizek, S. 2008. The Sublime Object of Ideology. Internal systemic critique. As critics have argued about Gramsci's followers, e.g., Guerraz, 1990, The Crown offers an internal critique that ultimately sustains the system. By confronting the monarchy with human problems, the series legitimizes it through empathy rather than challenging its structural role. Conclusion: Gramscian aesthetics, neoliberal media, and the monarchy. While The Crown dramatizes Gramsci's theory of hegemony in emotionally compelling ways, it also neutralizes the theory's radical potential for mainstream media. Hegemony ceases to function as an analytical tool and becomes an aesthetic narrative device. This raises a fundamental question. Are Gramsci's ideas being used today to liberate society, or to more subtly reproduce the existing system?